We're going to do a review here of a Rossi model R85104, which is a 38 special plus P 6-shot. Now before we get started with this review, I just want you to see that the gun is empty. There's nothing in those chambers. No chance for accident when we're talking about it. I'm going to hold it up to the camera so you can take a pretty good look at it, different angles. You can see it has a very nice checkered grip. Got finger grips. You can open the chamber very nicely. See down in there. I just want you to get a good look at it before we go into some of the details. You can see it's got a nice sight. You got white here in the back. You can adjust that for windage and elevation. You can see the red in the front. Make it very nice for sighting, especially with a 4-inch barrel. It's just very pleasing to the touch, very pleasing. You can see that ventilated rib up there right now. The grip panels, really they're hard rubber, checkered, fits the hand very nicely. You can see the hammer serrated. This is a single action, double action revolver, which means you can cock it with your thumb or you can pull the trigger. One of the things you'll see when you look at the hammer, the pin is right in the front. So that if you were to fire this, the firing pin is right on the hammer. You can look in the chamber and you can see it there. When I let up, it goes away. That's your firing pin. The hammer trigger mechanism has what's called an internal hammer block. What I'm going to do is open this up. In order for you to see the hammer block, I'm going to shine a light down. You can see the little silver hammer block in there. There it is. There it is. What this really means is it puts a block of steel between the hammer nose and the primer. The cylinder thumb latch, very convenient. Just see if you can see it here. Push with the thumb. Opens up very easily. Cylinder rotates. Put it back in. Close it up. It locks. One of the things you'll notice, if by any chance the gun is cocked, you will be unable to open the chamber. You can push, but you cannot open the chamber. The loading and unloading of this is really very simple. I have some spent cartridges over here that I'm going to grab and show you what it's like to load very easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you'll notice if you were to fire single action, the chamber moves counterclockwise. If you want to empty this, push the thumb latch, open the chamber, push the ejector rod. Get a good look at that ejector rod. Works very efficiently. Because of the weight of the gun, it really feels very hefty. And when you're shooting it, you just feel that you have a quality gun in your hand. top strap has several straight serrations in it. Just makes it look nice. And one of the things we're going to do here today, after show you the physical part of the gun, we're going to take it outside and we're going to shoot it. And that way you'll get an idea of how accurate this gun is. With a 4-inch barrel, it's much more accurate than a snub nose. This gun's rated for plus P, but most people aren't going to use plus P rounds if they're just shooting target. So the advertisement's probably true when it says you can shoot for a lifetime of plus P, but most people aren't going to do that. All in all, it's a really nice gun, handles well, and you'll see how what the recoil is like whenever we go outside and shoot. What I'm doing is shooting 6 shots off a rest so that you'll be able to see the recoil. 5 of the shots are single action. The last shot is double action. Now you'll see the results of the 6 shots. You're looking at steel targets at 30 and 35 yards. Several of the shots hit at 30 yards, the others hit at 35 yards.